The crypto breakout is getting juicy, and I want to give you a quick update on exactly what is happening right now. So, as you all know, we have been tracking this descending structure for Bitcoin for the last couple weeks, and I've told you all when the day comes that Bitcoin's price is capable of breaking to the top side of this structure, I believe it could make a run from anywhere from $115,000 all the way to possibly even $121,000. So, it's extremely important to watch this thing closely because it could be the very structure that opens the door for the bull run to really continue. Well, over the last couple of days, we've been head first into this possible breakout. Just a couple of days ago, I said, watch this crypto move closely. Just a couple of days ago, I also said a massive crypto breakout could be coming soon. And then what do you know? Bitcoin makes the move yesterday in an attempt to break out of this structure. Well, as this is playing out over the last 24 hours, again, as I mentioned earlier, things are getting juicy. And I want to tell you exactly what is happening right now and what you need to be watching out for today. Now, guys, don't forget, if you do want to trade a little bit of crypto, you can check out that link down below to BTCC, where you are going to get a 10% deposit bonus on all first-time deposits over $500. Guys, that's up to $10,000 in bonuses, and you're going to get 40% lower trading fees only with my link down below. Now, if you do click that link, there's going to be a video explaining all of these perks to you, and there's a tutorial on the actual exchange itself. So if you want to go check it out, you want to get leverage trading today, the link is down below. Go check it out. So looking at Bitcoin very, very closely, what we're going to do is we are actually going to zoom in and maintain on the daily charts. I know usually we'll dive into the 4-hour or the 8-hour or the 12-hour, but we're going to stick on the daily charts. And the reason why I believe you should stick on the daily charts is because they're the only chart that's currently painting the picture that I need you to see. Okay, because if I go to the 4-hour chart, for example, what you may say is, oh, snap, Bitcoin broke out. And I would have many reasons to agree with you. I mean, we got the 4-hour close here. We got the 4-hour close here. We're still above it here. Things look good, but it's not painting the picture. The true picture is on the daily charts. And what the daily charts say is that, we saw Bitcoin's price make a beautiful run up yesterday. Don't get me wrong, but Bitcoin still closed that daily candle below the descending channel. And as of now, yes, Bitcoin is currently outside of the descending channel. It's still not closed this daily candle outside of the descending channel. Well, Tyler, why is that a big deal? Why is it so important to the point where you made a video about it? Well, the reason this is so important is because we are still in fake out territory. We're still in trap territory. And at any given point, this could prove to be a fake out, which pushes Bitcoin's price upwards, gets everyone excited, gets all of these long traders entering the market, going in on huge leverage. And the next thing you know, these lizard people, they drop Bitcoin's price right back down, liquidating all of those traders who got trapped right here in what could possibly be a bull trap. And if you do look at the liquidation charts, there's every reason to assume that this still is a possibility. I mean, look at the liquidations that are stacked up now on the 30-day. Yesterday, we were sitting around 8 billion. Today, just a couple days later, we're already pushing towards 9.5 billion above 100,000 and 12.2 billion below 100,000. And if you don't know what this means, quite simply, it just means that a lot of people are betting that Bitcoin's price is going to go up, which is a perfect situation for the lizard people to drop the price of Bitcoin back down here, start causing those liquidations to the downside, and trap Bitcoin back within this channel. And so what I'm saying is that, look, at this exact moment, although things feel exciting and they feel happy and it feels like, oh snap, Bitcoin is making the move, it has not confirmed it yet. And all of you who are going huge on leverage trades and going super long, although you might win, you are taking a big risk. Now, I'm only saying that again until Bitcoin's price confirms that this breakout is successful. And I would be looking now for a full daily close outside of the descending channel and a successful backtest, which quite simply just means Bitcoin breaks out, it gets a daily close outside this channel, and it's capable of backtesting this thing because it's probably going to happen, right? You're probably going to get a daily close out here, come back down, try to backtest it, and then use that as support. And if that can happen, this is a confirmed breakout. And we are now in a situation in which Bitcoin shouldn't, I'm not going to say won't, and I'm not going to say couldn't, but shouldn't push us back into this descending channel, and it should open up the door to 115,000. And I think it's a reasonable outcome, right? Whenever you look at everything that's happening in the world, there is every reason that Bitcoin could push up towards, say, 115 to 120K. You got the S&P 500 pushing up to all-time highs, finally clearing all of these lows that it put in since the beginning of the year. You have M2 money supply starting to tank up towards new all-time highs as well, surpassing the previous highs from March of 2022. You have Congress coming in, and they're on the verge of passing Trump's big, beautiful bill, which many people do agree could bring a ton of liquidity here in the short term. You have many people under the belief that over the next couple months, we are going to see an interest rate cut environment, which obviously the market's extremely excited about. I mean, we have every possible thing that could be going right now in the economy in some capacity going right. In addition to that, you have, of course, everything, in the Middle East seemingly cooling down to some degree. And it's a perfect storm for Bitcoin to make that run to 115K. So I'm definitely by no means saying it's not going to. I'm just saying that this could still be a trap and this could still push Bitcoin's price back down, especially if any of those events goes negative. And so it's not worth, in my opinion, going super crazy high on leverage long trades right now, because the truth is we are still at risk. And at any given point, this could drop back down. I don't particularly think it's going to drop back down, but I know there's still a good chance that it could. And you need to know that, okay? You need to hear that. And so with that in mind, that's where we are today on this breakout. Things are looking good. It's making the move. It feels like we're going to get this breakout, but we are still at risk of this being a trap. So still play this cautious until we can get that confirmed breakout and back test. Guys, remember our good old friend, Bob T. Breakout, back test. That's what you're looking for, okay? So with that in mind, I'll continue to keep you updated as all this does play out. And listen, if anything that I just said in today's video feels a little bit complicated, because look, listen, I know that when I make these videos, I'm using a lot of words and a lot of I'm using a lot of tools and stuff that may be a little bit complicated. And if that is the case and you do feel that way, check out the link to the crypto playbook, which is coming soon down below. In the next 20 days and 23 hours from now, I'm going to be releasing the crypto playbook, which is a full comprehensional guide. It's a manual basically that you'll be able to use that's stuffed with information on, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, the crypto basics, advanced concepts in crypto. I mean, so much stuff, and it's available down in the link down below. You can go sign up for early access, and I'm going to send you 2 chapters from the crypto playbook today when you do sign up as a thank you for signing up. Again, this releases in 20 days, so check out the link down below. And don't forget, if you are trading some crypto, you can go check out the link down below and learn more about all the perks and benefits that you can get over on BTCC. But moral of the story, TLDR, watch this incredibly closely and be on the lookout to see if we can get the confirmed 1-day daily closeout here, and then that back test. That's going to give us everything that we need to know, and I'll keep you updated on the way. But of course, I hope you guys did enjoy today's quick update, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out, everybody.